Oh, don't make a mess. Okay, here's some Honey Nut Cheerios. You want to try it?
Good morning and welcome to Science and Society. I'm Dr.
Is it sticky? It's sweet. You gotta put it in your mouth. Gonna eat it?
We'll begin with opening remarks. Ms. Rostenkowski, would you like to start us off by discussing your assessment of science's responsibility to society?
Is that good? Do you like that? Are we awake?
Is he dead? Hello?
I don't know what we think. Did it mesmerize you? Oh, he did like it. Did you like it? Yum. I guess so. Now we're stuffing our face.
I don't know.
So you want some more?